What's the meaning of chairlift? Chairlift. Chairlift.
Chairlift. Chairlift. A chairlift is a type of ski lift used to transport skiers up a mountain or slope. It consists of a series of chairs that are suspended from a cable and pulled along by a motor. Skiers sit on the chairs and are carried up the mountain, typically to the top of a ski run. Chairlifts are a popular way for skiers to access slopes and can transport large numbers of people quickly and efficiently. They provide an enjoyable and scenic ride while also allowing skiers to conserve their energy for the descent.